Where is the throttle position sensor located? The throttle position sensor, TPS, is mounted on the throttle body. It measures how far the throttle plate is open and sends that information to the engine control unit, ECU. For most passenger cars. 1. Open the hood. 2. Locate the air intake hose that runs from the air filter box to the engine. 3. Follow the hose to the throttle body. 4. The TPS is usually attached to the side of the throttle body, near the throttle shaft. It is a small sensor with a 3 to 6 wire electrical connector. Keep in mind that on electronic throttle, drive-by-wire systems, the TPS is often built into the electronic throttle body and may not be removable separately. On older cable-operated throttle systems, the TPS is usually a separate sensor bolted to the throttle body. Thanks for watching my video.